Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick tip for those of you that are INAV pilots that are playing with autonomous missions. Now, I've done videos about this in the past. I will put a link down below. However, one of my Patreons have just been caught out by this. And if you have been playing with flying autonomous missions and you've done it in the past, or you're quite new to it, then you know what? There's one common gotcha that seems to catch loads of us out. And to be honest, I'll put my hands up here. I've been caught out with it too when I haven't done it for a while. And that's the issue that you get to the field, you're all ready, you've put your mission on the flight controller, you throw the wing or plane, or you fly your quad or boat or car, whatever it is. And once it's running around, you flick it into NAV waypoint to execute the mission. And all it does is return to home. You have forgotten to load the mission. Just a quick reminder, the way it's supposed to work is that you create the mission in Mission Planner, then you load it onto the flight controller, save it into EEPROM, and then when you get to the field, you have to load it into memory of the flight controller. There are two ways that you can do that. One is by using the sticks on the radio, and typically on a Mode 2 radio, that's throttle down and the right stick have it in the top right hand corner. That'll load the current waypoint mission. Or you can set a parameter inside INAV, I'll put it down at the bottom of the screen here, that will automatically load the mission every time. Personally, I'm not a massive fan of that. Why? Well, it means that if you have several places that you fly at, the mission that's loaded might be for somewhere that's miles and miles away from where you currently are. And if you have everything set up safely, then the NAV waypoint safe distance is going to mean that you can't arm the model because it will load the mission into memory automatically, realize the first waypoint is way too far away, and basically not allow you to arm. So that's the answer. If you are flying and you are playing with missions, you have saved it onto your flight controller, but when you get to the field, you put it into NAV waypoint, and all it does is going to return to home and fly back to you. You forgot to load your mission. That's all it is. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.